What's up, YouTube? So I told you I'd give you an update on my Redcat Volcano Pro after I was done putting all the hop-ups and everything. Well, here it is right here. I did aluminum chassis, aluminum control arms, tie rod ends. I replaced my bent shock. As you see, I got the hubs, and I'm going to tell you about that. I changed the servo to this Tactic Metal Gear servo because after I had did this servo saver and all that, dude, I just don't think the other servo that came with the Hex Fly could handle it, because when I did a little bit of turning and I ended up stripping out the gear inside. So I got this one. He's got metal gears inside. It's really relatively cheap, and I mean, it turns great. So the mistake I made, well, it really wasn't a mistake, but what I did was I used a 3S battery in here, and this thing ran its ass off. I'm not gonna lie, this thing was insane. I couldn't keep the tires were ballooning so much. I mean, they were ballooning out here. One tire, not sure which one it is, but I ended up ripping off. The glue came unglued on it. I'm not sure which one it was, but the glue came unglued, the foam was coming out, and then this happened. So I was running it today against a Traxxas X Max, which I couldn't even get a really good pass against them because this thing was so squirrely because it has so much power. But as you can see, the little cup here ended up snapping. It went to roll and it snapped off. I got the wheel there, but really, while I was making this video, is say all these parts really did work. I mean, it's a great car. If I wasn't using 3S and I was using just 2S, and I was probably just bashing it, it probably wouldn't have broke like this. But I was literally putting it balls to the wall trying to beat this X Max, but it didn't work. Every weekend now, I have a couple buddies, my brother-in-law, his friends. We're gonna be doing races. We have my Volcano. There's an Traxxas X Max. There's an Arma. Say that right, Italian. He's about to get an Arma Creighton, and I'm kind of the underdog because I'm running this little cheap Redcat, trying to keep up with his 8S cars and all that. But this one right here is doing pretty well. I'm gonna see how it goes, but in the meantime, while I'm building this, I bought a Slash. Got me a Slash from a buddy. It's a full drive Slash. Got the brushless system, full drive. It's the Slash Ultimate because it's got like the low center of gravity bottom and the aluminum hubs, as you can see. Really fun car. I put 3S on it today, and if I had to guess, it probably goes anywhere from 40-45 miles per hour. It's not too quick, maybe not even 45. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start building this one also, because I'm not gonna lie, I like this a little bit better than the Volcano, just because the way it feels is just so much smoother. It's to me, it handles way better, but that's just me. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the gear, the high-speed gear and everything in here, try to get more power out of it. I'm trying to get this thing to go around 60 miles per hour. So I'm gonna change the gear and things like that, the gear and the little spur gear and the high-speed gear, whatever. But I'll make a video on me changing that. But other than that, yeah, I'm really excited to have these two cars. And if y'all want to see some Traxxas Slash versus X Max versus Creighton versus the Arma Italian, I want to see some Redcat Volcano versus all that, just stay tuned. But yeah, that's about it. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Like, comment, subscribe. Any questions about my Volcano, just let me know. Any questions about my Slash, I'll try to answer them. I'm new to the Slash. I'm just gonna start learning that. It's my first Traxxas. But other than that, yeah, thank you. Peace.